1. General travel vocabulary. Passport, a document required for international travel. Visa, an official permit to enter and stay in a country. Ticket, a document that allows you to travel, e.g., plane, train, bus. Boarding pass, a document that allows you to board a plane. Itinerary, a travel plan or schedule. Destination, the place you are traveling to. Suitcase, Chernin luggage, bags used to carry belongings. Carry-on, a small bag you take on the plane with you. Check-in, the process of registering at an airport or hotel. Check-out, the process of leaving a hotel. Customs, the area where officials check your belongings when entering a country. Immigration, the process of entering a new country. Departure, leaving a place. Arrival, reaching a destination. Transfer, moving from one place to another, e.g., airport to hotel. Tourist, a person traveling for pleasure. Travel agency, a company that helps plan trips. Guidebook, a book with information about a destination. Sightseeing, visiting tourist attractions. Side 2, Air Travel Vocabulary. Airline, a company that provides air travel. Flight, a journey by plane. Gate, the area where you board the plane. Terminal, the building where passengers wait for flights. Departure lounge, the area where passengers wait before boarding. Security check, the process of checking passengers and luggage for safety. Baggage claim, the area where you collect your luggage after a flight. Delay, when a flight is late. Cancellation, when a flight is cancelled. Layover, stopover, a break between flights during a journey. Window seat, a seat next to the window on a plane. Aisle seat, a seat next to the aisle on a plane. Overhead bin, the storage area above seats on a plane. Sightseer turbulence, shaking or movement during a flight. Pilot, the person who flies the plane. Flight attendant, a person who helps passengers on a plane. E3. Accommodation vocabulary. Hotel, a place to stay while traveling. Reservation to booking, arranging a place to stay in advance. Reception, the front desk of a hotel. Room service, food or drinks delivered to your room. Single room, a room for one person. Double room, a room for two people. Suite, a large, luxurious room. Check-in time, the time you can enter your room. Check-out time, the time you must leave your room. Amenities, facilities or services provided by a hotel, e.g., pool, gym. Hostel, a budget-friendly accommodation option. Bed and breakfast, B&B, a small lodging offering breakfast. Vacation rental, a rented house or apartment for travelers. 4. Transportation vocabulary. Taxi or cab, a car that takes you to your destination for a fee. Public transportation, buses, trains, and subways. Subway metro, an underground train system. Bus, a vehicle for public transportation. Train, a vehicle that runs on tracks. Ferry, a boat that transports people and vehicles. Rental car, a car you can rent for a period of time. Bicycle rental, renting a bike for travel. Ticket machine, a machine where you buy transportation tickets. Platform, the area where you wait for a train or bus. Schedule, chart timetable, a list of departure and arrival times. Route, the path or direction of travel. Map, a visual guide to an area. 5. Tourist attractions and activities. Landmark, a famous or important place, e.g., Eiffel Tower. Museum, a place with historical or cultural artifacts. Gallery, a place with art exhibitions. Monument, a structure built to remember a person or event. Beach, a sandy area by the ocean. Park, a public green space. Zoo, a place with animals for viewing. Theme park, an amusement park with rides and attractions. Tour, a guided visit to a place. Excursion, a short trip, often for leisure. Hiking, walking in nature for pleasure. Souvenir, a keepsake from a trip. Photography, taking pictures of places and sights. Savage 6. Dining and food vocabulary. Restaurant, a place to eat out. Café, a small restaurant for coffee and light meals. Menu, a list of food and drinks available. Reservation, booking a table in advance. Tip, gratuity, extra money given for good service. Local cuisine, traditional food of a region. Street food, food sold by vendors on the street. Buffet, a self-service meal with a variety of dishes. Vegetarian, vegan, food without meat or animal products. Allergy, a negative reaction to certain foods. 7. Emergency and health vocabulary. Pharmacy, a place to buy medicine. Hospital, a place for medical treatment. Doctor, a medical professional. Insurance, protection against travel-related risks. Emergency, a serious situation requiring immediate action. First aid, basic medical help. Lost and found, a place to recover lost items. Police, law enforcement officers. Embassy, a government office in a foreign country. 8. Money and shopping vocabulary. Currency, the money used in a country. Exchange rate, the value of one currency compared to another. ATM, a machine to withdraw cash. Credit card, a card used to pay for goods and services. Cash, physical money. Budget, a plan for spending money. Receipt, proof of purchase. Duty-free, goods sold without taxes in airports. Bargain, a good deal or discount. 9. Communication vocabulary. Language, the way people communicate. Translation, converting words from one language to another. Interpreter, a person who translates spoken language. Phrasebook, a book with useful phrases in a foreign language. Wi-Fi, wireless internet access. SIM card, a card for mobile phone service. Roaming, using your phone in another country. 10. Weather and seasons, weather forecast, a prediction of the weather. Sunny, bright with sunlight. Rainy, wet with rain. Snowy, covered with snow. Windy, with strong winds. Season, a time of year, e.g., summer, winter.